Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel of Inspiring Trader. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe this channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss all the educational video, and these videos will definitely help you out in your trading journey. So here I am with new video which you will be learning how you can protect your capital and become profitable trader. And I will be showing you how I took trade, what is the logic behind it, and what went right, and in the middle of the trade something went wrong or something went right. I'll be showing you. Now the whole objective of this video is to know that the protecting our capital is very important, because if there is no capital, how are you going to take any trade? I believe and I teach to my students that capital is our soul. A body without soul, what happens? It's useless. You know how to read the charts, you know everything, but you don't maintain your risk. There is no risk management. Because of that, you lost all the capital, and now you want to take a trade. Will you be able to take trade? No. So knowing and execution is totally two different things. So you also have to know how to execute. So I always tell my students, it's not just about something. It's about this journey and the process where you keep executing systematically and you will learn something. So I always tell that this is the journey. This is not one shot get rich quick journey. No. So I'll be showing you. Let me not waste your time. I'll make it very quick. One thing what I want to tell you is you will be learning in this video how to protect your capital and become profitable. And I'll show you how this trade went. And the position of this trade is very small. Just I was super busy, I was in some work, but when I opened the chart, I saw some good setup and I thought of taking small quantity. Now, some people look at the quantities or position size, they will comment so many things. I got it in my TikTok videos that, oh, you are taking too small, oh, you are taking just 0.10. I mean, that's, when people talk about that, we can realize how immature they are. It's not about quantities, it's not about position, it's much about strategies and risk management and the whole scenario or the level of your thinking process, when to take how much, when to take big position, when to take small. These are the things which a matured professional trader will know. And based on that, I have taken my position very less, so it's very small, but I believe the important thing is how I took entry and what happened in between that. Yes or no? I believe yes. Before taking you to the chart, I want you to hit the like button. I'm giving you this educational video. I'm adding value to your trading journey. Let me take you to the chart, guys. So, simple strategy which I just used to trade. So what is this? This is just a symmetrical triangle, and you can see as I always say, that the price is just doing what it is, consolidating. In other words, I also call it as a sleeping. See, look at this one. So in this area the price was sustaining, and you can see from here there was a one trend line and just got breakout, and also it has retested in 15 minutes. It's a very quick trade. So what I did is I was a little bit late. The moment when I got my coffee, it was over here, yes. Then it was 1:1, and I believe I can share my PNL screen on the left hand side or right hand side somewhere. So this is my stop loss. I'm still carrying. So yes, this is very simple, guys, like symmetrical triangle which everyone knows. So I just thought of sharing, and this is how it goes. And I have also posted in my Instagram story about this trade live just when I was taking trade. So let's see, this is my pink is my target. So partially I have exited, and I'm carrying few positions. Let's see. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. I'll update. So this is the position which is going on right now, and I'm in different place. I don't know whether the background noise is disturbing you guys. So I think only a few, like 600, 700, 200, 250 points remaining for my target to get hit. Let's see how it works. I'll update you. So this is how it looks right now, and I just woke up actually. So I was a little bit late today to wake up, and look at the scenario. Where did I take trade? I took trade over here, right? So I actually gave in this candle order, and that was a market order. That was it. That's why it got executed at this level. Okay, 24,000 260. So the actual logic behind this trade is symmetrical triangle breakout, right? And this is the stop loss. And it went up, and I thought that, my target will get hit. But what did I do? I protected my capital and I took my stop loss to cost, okay, at this level. So it means either it will hit my target or the entry price. So once the price goes there and once you are profitable, what I want to advise you is take your stop loss to cost. Wherever you have taken entry, go and place your stop loss at that level so that you will be protected. You won't be in loss. Now what I have done is, you can see on the screen on at the bottom, there was a 2 position which I booked. One I booked at this area, 530, okay, 530. Then I was carrying and it was just like this, and I was into some other work. So then what happened, you can see here, it didn't hit the target, it came down, but I exited at this level, cost to cost. Now in one position it is 0 profit, in the other position I'm in profit, I'm in net profit. So overall I'm in profit. And now look at this, it just fell and there was a massive fall. If I would have been greedy that no, this will go up, with the hope, with some assumption, with story in our head, then I would be in loss and I would have been carrying my loss position with the hope. And we don't know whether it will come down or whether it will go up. If it comes down, then I'll be in big loss again, isn't it? So this is how the trade went, guys. So you saw from the beginning where I took trade, what went in the middle and what went at the end. And what I have done is I took my stop loss to cost, isn't it? Yes. So that even the price reverses and if it doesn't hit the target, I won't be in loss, because I know that I'll get too many other trades. I know that there are so many other setups I will get, too many opportunities I will get. Why should I just cling on one trade and just, hang in that one trade sitting in hope? No. It's all about logic, strategies, and risk management, guys. So risk management is very important. As I said, protecting our capital should be one of the main intention while you are in trade. Making money is secondary, and we also have to know that we will get too many opportunities, so you don't need to just get stuck in one trade. So the moral of the lesson is, when you keep doing this for next 2, 3, 4 months, at the end the result will be good. You will be in profit. And as I always say, this is the process. In this 4 month, you will have very calm mindset where you will observe each trade and you can also track the trades. And imagine if you are in big loss, you will not have this calm mindset where you will observe and learn. So while in this journey, make sure that protect your capital. So protecting your capital will allow you to observe the charts, track all the trades, and you will learn more. And that's how you can grow. You might have also realized that it's not one overnight get rich quick. It's not that one trade should go right and you should make big money. No, it's many trades with protecting the capital, knowing that we will get too many other opportunities. I hope this video has made you realize that it's about journey. It's not about just one single trade where you have to get rich quick or make big money. All right then, so if you have not subscribed this channel, make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the notification button, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.